In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer photos from MacBook to iCloud. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to transfer or synchronize the photos from your MacBook to iCloud, then all that you have to do is make sure that the option is enabled from your MacBook. So regardless of your MacBook model, you will be able to follow these instructions. First, go over to the System Settings, so tap on the icon at the top left and go to System Settings on your MacBook. Under the System Settings, you will be signed into your Apple account. If you are currently not signed in, then you should do so now with the same account that you are using on your phone. And once you are signed in here, click on your account and go over to iCloud. So under your account options, you will find iCloud. Inside of this category, you can see how much storage you are using and most importantly, what is currently being synchronized into iCloud. So as you can see under this category, saved to iCloud, you can manage what is being saved, including the Photos app. So all that you have to do here is tap on Photos, and you will get the option to synchronize this Mac. Store your photos in iCloud, view and share them on all your devices and on iCloud.com. So all that you have to do to ensure that this works is to make sure that this option is enabled. With this done, click here and you are good to go. Of course, you can manage other options, so your drive, passwords, messages, notes, contacts, everything. Click on See All if you would like to see more and other applications that are supported within iCloud, but if all you care about is photos, then just tap on it here and you are good to go. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.